This is a 2005 Hummer H2. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 6.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Appearance Package, a multi-link rear suspension, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: 9 strategically placed speakers, aluminum wheels, roof rails, a CD player, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, traction control, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Not to mention that this Hummer qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Moore Toyota is Indiana's premier Toyota dealership to purchase new Toyotas, used cars, and Toyota certified pre-owned vehicles. Located in Avon and serving the greater Indianapolis metro area, we currently stock over 600 new, used, and certified pre-owned vehicles. Visit us today at 8941 East US Highway 36 or see us online at andymoretoyota.net.